Today, we're counting down the top 10 power tools that changed the world. Whether you're a DIY weekend warrior, a seasoned tradesperson, or you just click because the thumbnail looked cool, trust me, you're going to want to stick around. We've ranked these game-changing tools from least impactful to most impactful, with plenty of history, humor, and surprising facts along the way. Grab a drink, kick back, and let's jump right into it. Let's kick off our list with a tool that smooths things out, literally. Power sanders took the pain out of hand sanding wood, making surfaces smoother than your uncle on karaoke night. Invented in the early 20th century, the electric sander quickly revolutionized woodworking. Brands like Black & Decker introduced early models in the 1920s, and today, tools like orbital sanders and belt sanders have transformed tedious sanding tasks into quick, satisfying jobs. From furniture makers to auto body specialists, the impact of sanders cannot be overstated. Next up, at number 9, is the ProPress. Introduced by Rigid in 1999, this tool forever changed plumbing. Gone are the days of sweating pipes with open flames. This thing crimps fittings securely in seconds. Fun fact, before ProPress, plumbers spent a significant portion of their careers dodging fire alarms and singed eyebrows. Today, pressing tools are standard, safer, and faster, drastically reducing job site risk and increasing productivity. Number 8, the Jigsaw. This versatile tool, invented by Albert Kaufman in 1946 using a sewing machine mechanism, transformed how we cut intricate curves and detailed patterns in wood, metal, and plastic. Imagine trying to make a detailed cut without one. Yeah, good luck with that coping saw. Today's jigsaws are powerful, precise, and indispensable for carpenters, remodelers, and artists alike. At number 7, we've got grinders, and we're not talking about taking lunch break on the job site here. Invented around 1935 by German manufacturer Ackermann and Schmidt, now known as Flex, angle grinders quickly became essential for metal workers. Whether you're cutting steel beams or removing rust faster than coffee clears morning fog, the grinder is your go-to. Safety may be debatable. You ever seen sparks fly at warp speed? But productivity gains, absolutely undeniable. Coming in at number 6, the Reciprocating Saw, better known by its street name, the Sawzall. Invented by Milwaukee Tool in 1951, if demolition had a mascot, this would be it. Contractors quickly fell in love with its versatility in tight spots and its ability to cut nearly anything from lumber and nails to metal pipes. Quick note, it also makes you feel like you're wielding Excalibur on demo day. And we're halfway through the top 10 power tools that changed the world. Let us know what you think so far. Did we miss a tool? Think our rankings should be different? Drop your thoughts below. We love hearing from you. While you're down there, if you're early to this video, make sure to join the notification squad by typing the word FIRST. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title and possibly receive an award. Now moving on to number 5, powered nailers. Invented by Morris Pinos in 1950, nail guns revolutionized the building industry by significantly speeding up construction, framing, and finish work. Before nailers, framing was slow, laborious, and tedious. Today, pneumatic and battery-powered nailers can drive nails faster than your coworker can complain about Monday mornings. On Monday morning. Thank you, nail guns. Remember doing finish work, putting in multi-piece moldings, nailing them in by hand, and then having to go back and set the nails? Or, matter of fact, remember being a helper, and after the finished carpenter went in and placed all their nails in the moldings, having to go back as a helper, threw the nail set at you. Go set all those nails. At number 4, we've got circular saws. Arguably one of the most revolutionary tools ever invented. patented by Edmund Mitchell in 1924 and popularized by Skillsaw, the saw that built America. This innovation brought sawmill precision into handheld form, enabling rapid, straight cuts at job sites or home projects. If you've ever marveled at a perfectly straight piece of lumber, you can thank a circular saw. Moving on to number 3, power drills. Invented in 1889 by Arthur James Arnott and William Blanche Brain, drills transitioned from massive stationary machines to portable wonders thanks to Black & Decker in 1917. Today, cordless drills are practically a homeowner staple, essential for everything from assembling furniture to installing shelves. They're so common, people give them as housewarming gifts. Now that's what I call mainstream success. Coming in at number 2, the Oscillating Multi-Tool, invented by Fine in 1967, originally for medical plaster removal. These became essential job site companions thanks to their versatility. Cutting, sanding, grinding, scraping, this tool does it all in spots that no other tool can reach. It's the Swiss Army knife of power tools. Honestly, if Batman were a tradesman, he'd keep one on his utility belt. Now, there's only one tool left on our list. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a thing, nothing from VCG Construction ever again. Want to help out the channel? Consider becoming a channel member or check out our merch store at vcg.store to grab yourself some gear and show your support. You can find pricing for all the tools on our list by using the YouTube shopping button or on the YouTube shopping shelf below. You won't pay any extra if you decide to buy, but we will earn a small commission that helps us do what we love doing, and that's creating more content. And finally, number 1, the impact driver, originating from air-driven tools of the automotive industry. Cordless electric impact drivers completely changed construction and assembly, offering torque that drills could only dream about. These compact powerhouses have become indispensable for tradespeople worldwide. Brands like Makita, Milwaukee, and DeWalt compete fiercely, continually improving power, efficiency, and comfort of these tools. If you've ever driven a screw into solid oak or sunk lag bolts effortlessly, you know exactly why the impact driver deserves the top spot.